Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in Hunan, China is famous for its thousands of towering quartz sandstone pillars that inspired the floating Hallelujah Mountains in the movie Avatar. Hi, my name is Benny Lee. I'm the author of the book called Watch the Mouth. Here is the short video of my trip to hike the Avatar Mountain. Enjoy! Zhangjiajie National Park is so huge, you may need 3 days to explore. You can hike to see from high points, or take cable cars or the world's tallest outdoor elevator to one of the peaks, or you take mini train to see the mountains from ground level. There are wildlife like monkeys, rural life in nearby villages, and ancient towns with steep history, stunning architecture and landscapes, etc. This short video can only cover a small part of the park. There are other stunning sceneries like the Gateway to Heaven. It's a huge natural water-eroded rock cavity through the mountain, famous for the 999 stone steps leading to it, known as the Stairway to Heaven. To get to Avatar Mountain, people usually take the bullet train to Changsha, the capital of Hunan province, or join local tours.